it's about 4 or 5. We'd like to help you learn to help yourself. Look around you, all you see are sympathetic eyes. All around the grounds until you feel alone. And here's to you, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you will know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven knows a place for those who pray. Hey, 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 hey. Hiding back where no one ever goes. Put it in your pantry with your cupcakes. It's a little secret, it's just a Robinson affair. Most of all, you got to hide it from the king. Go to Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you will know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven knows a place for those who pray. Hey, 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 hey. Sitting on the sofa on a Sunday afternoon, going through the candidates' faces. Laugh about it, shout about it when you've got the truth. Anyway you look at it, you look. Where have you gone, Jolly Maggio? An ancient and it's lonely eyes to you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's that you say, Mrs. Robinson? Joey Don't has left and gone.